Good day and welcome aboard Monster Plane Flight XYZ1, departing from Denpasar and bound for beautiful Phuket. At this time, please make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened, your seat back and tray table are in the full upright position, and your carry-on items are stowed completely under the seat in front of you or in the overhead bins. All aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas must be clear. Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes, is not permitted at any time on board the aircraft. For your safety, please comply with all crew member instructions, illuminated signs, and posted placards throughout the flight to fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tip into the buckle, and adjust it by pulling on the strap so it fits low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, lift the top of the buckle. In the event of a sudden loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop from the panel above your seat. Pull the masks toward you to start the flow of oxygen. Place it over your nose and mouth, secure it with the elastic band, and breathe normally. Put on your own mask before helping others. Your life vest is located under your seat or between seats. In the event of a water landing, remove the vest, place it over your head, fasten the strap around your waist, and pull it tight. When exiting the aircraft, pull down on the red tabs to inflate the vest. You can also inflate it by blowing into the tube. Please take a moment to locate the nearest emergency exit, keeping in mind it may be behind you. We will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. If you need additional light, there is a button above your seat. Thank you for your attention. We'll be taking off shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight with Monster Plane.